Good morning students. Today we will discuss chapter polynomial exercise 2.4. In this exercise we discuss remainder theorem. Whether the one polynomial is a factor of another or not. If in this exercise if the remainder is 0, then first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. In question 1, determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. In first question, the polynomial is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We write this polynomial as px, that is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and take gx is x plus 1. When we put gx equals to 0, we get x is equal to minus 1. When we put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial px, that is 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, this is plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. These are cancelled out. So p minus 1 is 0. This means x plus 1 is a factor of polynomial px. In second question, the polynomial px is x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Here we put x is equal to minus 1. That is, we check whether x plus 1 is its factor or not. For this, put the value of x minus 1. When we put the value of x minus 1, this is minus 1 power 4 is plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. These are cancelled out and the remainder is 1. So x plus 1 is not a factor. Is not factor of px. In question number 3, the statement is px is equal to x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. When we put x is equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube, 3 into minus 1 square, minus 1 plus 1. This is plus 1, minus 3 plus 3, minus 1 plus 1. These cancel out, equals to 1. This means p minus 1 not equal to 0. So no, this polynomial, that is x plus 1, is not a factor of this polynomial. In fourth part, the polynomial px is x cube minus x square minus 2 plus under root 2x and plus root 2. When we put x is equal to minus 1, this is minus 1 the whole cube, this is minus 1 square, 2 plus root 2, x is minus 1 plus under root 2. This is negative 1, this is again 1, this is minus plus 2 plus under root 2, this is root 2. This is minus 2 plus 2. When we add this is 2 under root 2. So these two terms are cancelled and the remainder is 2 root 2. Again, it's not a factor. In question number 2, in second question, the statement is use factor theorem whether gx is a factor of px or not. In this, px is 2x cube plus x square 2x plus minus 1 and gx is x plus 1. We check whether gx is a factor of px or not. For this, we put gx equals to 0. That's x plus 1 equals to 0 and x is minus 1. When we put the value of x is equal to minus 1 in px, if px is 0, then it is a factor. If px is not equal to 0, then it is not a factor. In this 2 cancel out, 1 cancel out. So p minus 1 is 0. This means gx is a factor of px. Factor of px. In question number second, px is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and gx is x plus 2. First we put gx equals to 0, that's x plus 2 equals to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. When we put this value in px, that is minus 2 whole cube, 3 into minus 2 whole square, 3 into minus 2 plus 1. This is minus 8, 3 4 12, 6 plus 1. This is 14 plus 13 minus 1. This means not equal to 0. So gx is not a factor of px. Gx is not a factor of px. In third question, in third part, the statement is px equals to, in third part, px equals to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and gx is x minus 3. In this, first we put gx is equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. When we put x is equal to 3, this is 3 whole cube, 4 into 3 square, 3 plus 6. This is 27, this is 9 4 36 plus 9. So this is 36 minus 36 equals to 0. So gx is a factor of px. In the third question, third is statement is find the value of k so that x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, then we put x minus 1 equals to 0, that's x is equal to 1. The first polynomial is x square plus x plus k. When we put x is equal to 1, this is 1 square, 1 plus k, and p1 is 0. So this is k minus 2 equals to k. This is the answer. In second, px is 2x square plus kx plus root 2. When we put x is equal to 1 here, 1 square plus k into 1 plus under root 2. p1 is 0, 2 plus k plus root 2. So value of k is minus 2, minus root 2. In third question, statement is px is kx square under root 2x plus 1. When we put x is equal to 1, this is 1 square, root 2 into 1 plus 1. p1 is 0. So this is root 2 plus 1 and value of k is under root 2 minus 1. In the next question, px is kx square minus 3x plus k. When we put x is equal to 1, this is k 1 square, 3 into 1 plus k. As p1 is 0 because it is a vector, so 3 is equal to 2k, k is equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of k. Solve all these sums on your notebook. Thanks.